puntahan ko naman po, Commissioner, yung nag-resign na si Executive Secretary Bersamin at Budget Secretary Pangandaman out of delikadeza matapos silang madawit sa issue. Will the ICI look into their names as well?
We have been looking already, no? Mukhang, I guess they realize that out of delikadesa nga, para maimbestiga ng tama, nag-resign na lang. No? But hindi pa tapos sa amin.
So lumabas po sa affidavits na they're connected also. At klaro po rin yan, alam din po ni na dating Secretary Pangandaman at ES Bersamin na sila po ay naiimbestigahan na rin.
No, I'm sure they have heard of why their names were involved. No, it might not be directly ES Bersamin, but someone pretty close to ES Bersamin.